In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a connected app in Salesforce. To get started, sign into your Salesforce org with an account that has admin permissions. From the main Salesforce screen, open the gear icon in the top right and choose the settings area. This takes you into the admin side of Salesforce where you can configure apps, security, and integrations. From there, switch into the full setup workspace by selecting Open Advanced Setup. This view gives you access to all the configuration tools you'll need. In the setup sidebar, use the quick find search box to look for App Manager. Typing a few letters is usually enough to surface it. Open App Manager to see a list of existing apps and the controls to create new ones. Inside App Manager, select the option to create a new Lightning Out 2.0 app. This path creates a connected app that's designed for embedding Lightning components or integrating external experiences, and it includes the OAuth capabilities you'll need for secure API access. When the form opens, enter a clear descriptive name for the app. The name should make its purpose obvious to anyone managing your org later. Salesforce will generate a corresponding API name. You can accept the default or adjust it to match your naming conventions. Adding a short description is also helpful for future administrators, especially in larger teams. Continue by choosing Save and Continue. This will bring you to the API configuration area. Here, enable the OAuth settings for the app. OAuth is the standard way Salesforce authorizes external systems to connect securely. Provide at least one valid callback URL that your integration will use to receive authorization responses. If you're working in a sandbox, be sure the URL matches the sandbox domain you're testing with. Next, select the OAuth scopes your integration requires. Choose only what you need, for example, read access, basic identity, or full access, so you adhere to the principle of least privilege. If your use case involves refreshing sessions without user interaction, you can include offline access so the app can receive a refresh token. As you make selections, think about who will use the app and what data it truly needs to access. When everything looks correct, click Save to finalize the app. Salesforce may take a short moment to provision it. After saving, you'll find the app's details in App Manager, including credentials you'll use from your integration. Keep those credentials secure and consider documenting your chosen scopes and callback URLs for your team. That's it. Your connected app is created and ready for testing and integration.